Here is how to earn APY on DeFi platforms step by step. First, open your wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabbit Wallet, and make sure it's connected to the correct blockchain, such as Ethereum, Arbitrum, BNB Chain, or Solana. Visit a trusted DeFi platform like Aave, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Curve, Lido, or Compound. Connect your wallet by tapping Connect Wallet. Now choose a pool or vault. For example, you can supply stable coins like USDC, DAI, or tokens like Ethereum or Bitcoin to lending pools or liquidity pools. Check the displayed APY, annual percentage yield. This is your estimated return for a year based on the current rates. Click deposit, enter the amount of tokens you want to supply, then approve the transaction in your wallet. Once deposited, you start earning APY instantly, either through interest, trading fees, or reward tokens, depending on the protocol. You can withdraw anytime by going to withdraw or remove liquidity, depending on the platform. That's how you earn passive income with APY on DeFi platforms in 2025. Fully decentralized, transparent, and with no middleman involved. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.